and the 311 system. I'm specifically addressing Soria Drive. Soria Drive is a 2-lane, actually 4-lane, two coming and two going, that extends east from Zapata Highway, about half a mile.
That's correct.
Going east. There's nothing there except subdivisions on this side.
Yes.
And it has 2 sidewalks on each side, and that is my concern. You know, I walk that area, I walk my dogs in that area, and lately I haven't been able to do that because the sidewalks are overrun with about 3 feet of buffalo grass and the mesquite trees and huizache trees that are encroaching on the sidewalk.
Yes.
And I've tried to address this problem before. I called twice, Public Works, and then they had directed me to 311.
Yes.
And I explained the situation, and this was about 6 months, 7 months ago, and nothing happened until I called you. The next day after I called you, they came, Public Works came and they took care of it.
Yes.
And then 3 or 4 months passed, and I called again, the same situation, and nothing happens. And then I have to place a call to you, and once I do that, then they come and take care of the situation. Well, the most recent call was on the 14th of this month.